Theory of quasi-elastic scattering of nucleons or nuclei in the distorted wave approximation by Mirtimur Mirbutalibov and Mina Alieva. The expression for the differential cross-section of nucleon knockout from nuclei by quasi-elastic scattering was obtained in analytical form. The distorted wave function of incident nucleons was obtained in a three-dimensional representation. Due to the fact that we consider the direct interaction of incident nucleons of intermediate and high energies in multiple scattering, in which the influence of the Coulomb interaction on the angular distribution of scattered particles is insignificant, which allows us to apply the proposed theory to reactions N, Np, P, Np, P to P, and N to N. Using this theory, the threefold differential cross-section of incident protons with an energy of 1 GeV on nuclei 16O and 12C was calculated. The obtained results are compared with the experiment. The differential cross-section was calculated for the knockout of protons from the 1p and 1s subshells, which makes it possible to determine the orbital moments of these nucleons in nuclei before scattering from the angular distribution of emitted protons. In addition, the mechanism of excitation of the residual nucleus after knocking out nucleons from nuclei was considered. It turned out that the swelling of the nucleus is a consequence of the rearrangement of nucleons at energy levels on the surface of the target nucleus, i.e. the transition of nucleons to a higher energy level. The differential cross-section for quasi-elastic scattering of protons was calculated also for excited nuclei 16O and 12C. It was found that the nucleus 16O can emit protons from the levels 1p3 halves, 1pa half, 1sa half and the nucleus 12C from the N levels. The work presents the energies calculated for single particle levels in nuclei and for the corresponding values of the oscillator parameter, as well as the energy of the excited whole state. In addition, for comparison, the experimental values of the energy of single particle levels are also presented. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.